Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to disable the two-factor authentication code on your iPhone or Android device. So let's get started without wasting any time. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the bottom right corner. Now scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. Next, go to Account Center. Scroll down to Account Settings and tap on Password and Security. Now tap on Two-Factor Authentication. Select your profile. Now enter your Facebook password and click Continue. Tap SMS or WhatsApp under the How to Get Login codes. From here, you can easily enable or disable the two-factor authentication feature on your Facebook account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.